Well, I'm Paul Needleman. I'm the owner of Cleanology Housekeeping Personnel Service. And just to give you some background on Cleanology, we've been around since 2003. As far as the company itself, we have an A+ Better Business Bureau rating. We have 4 to 5 stars on Yelp with over 50 reviews. We can arrange green cleanings or conventional cleanings. The price is the same. There's no cost difference. Cleaners are experienced in both types of cleaning standards. As far as the cleaners themselves, they're all independent professional housekeepers. We do total background checks on them. We go through informative research. We do checks on their social security number, make sure that there's no legal issues, criminal background issues. We check all of their references as well. In addition to housekeeping services, we also can arrange for carpet cleaning and window washing, tile and grout cleaning, duct cleaning, and many other kind of peripheral services that we work through affiliate vendors. All of the housekeepers that are referred through Cleanology are pet friendly. We make sure that they're happy to go into homes where there's pets there so that the pets are comfortable and the housekeepers are comfortable while they're there. In addition to working with the general public to clean their homes, whether it's one-time cleanings, move-ins or move-outs, or recurring cleanings, say once a month or once a week, we also work with real estate professionals and their clients. As our way of giving back to the community, we work with 2 different charitable foundations. First is known as Cleaning for a Reason. This is a foundation that assists women who are in treatment and recovery from cancer. The other foundation is known as Cleaning for Heroes. And this is a foundation that works with disabled veterans from the military, fire departments, and police departments. We work through these foundations where we donate up to 4 free cleanings for people who are qualified through them. For more detailed information about Cleanology Housekeeping Personnel Service, please go to our website at cleanologysd.com or call our office at area code 619-281-2532.